Ghoramara Gram Panchayat. Ghoramara is one of the 9 Gram Panchayats under Sagur Development Block of South 24 Parganas district. It is recorded as the smallest Gram Panchayat of West Bengal, comprising only 5.5 square kilometer area with a population of merely 4,500. This island is also known worldwide as the referable place to research on the impact of global warming and climate change. Ghoramara Panchayat administration has made people realize that impact of natural calamity can only be minimized by developing clean and green zero waste island. As Ghoramara is a typical rural area, community composting units constructed in each village converging 15th Finance Commission Fund with Panchayat's own source revenue. Each unit has 2 chambered shaded composting pits where nearby 5 to 6 families dump their all sorts of biodegradable wastes like kitchen waste, grain husks, field weeds, cow dung for composting. And the households themselves use the compost fertilizer for their kitchen garden as well as betel leaf garden. A small SWM unit has been established by Ghoramara Gram Panchayat to recycle the solid waste. The workers of this unit collect biodegradable waste from 2 local markets every day. In addition, kitchen waste is also being collected from schools and Anganwadi centers. An average of 120 to 130 kg of biodegradable waste is collected and brought to this SWM unit every day. After segregation, a series of steps are exercised and vermicompost and organic compost fertilizer are being produced from this waste. Every month, 150 to 200 kg of organic compost and 40 to 50 kg of vermicompost fertilizer are being produced and sold to the local farmers to promote organic farming. The Solid Waste Management Unit is collecting non-biodegradable wastes also from every household in the Panchayat area once in a week.
যেখানে সেখানে নয় সব সময় ময়লা নির্দিষ্ট গাড়িতেই ফেলি।
After segregating the plastics from the non-biodegradable waste, it is sent to the plastic management unit under Sagur block. A total of 64 tube wells have been installed across different areas of Ghoramara Island to ensure safe drinking water for all. In addition, piped water connections have been provided to 1,140 houses. Community soak pits and leach pits have been constructed for each source of drinking water to manage the runoff water as well as grey water. And as a result, the underground water level has increased significantly at Ghoramara. Kitchen water is being used to irrigate vegetable gardens. In addition, special arrangements have been made in the Panchayat office to recycle rainwater. Various PRA-PLA initiatives have been taken to make local residents aware regarding ODF plus sustainability as well as clean and green Ghoramara. Women from self-help groups have participated in awareness walks. Local school children have participated in drawing competition titled Nirmal Ghoramara. the Ghoramara of their dreams become a reality through their drawings. Women members of the self-help group have participated in wall writing in different areas of the Panchayat. They are highlighting various issues to the local residents through these wall writings. Local women are exchanging views on issues related to drinking water and sanitation by organizing focused group discussions. Ghoramara has been declared as open defecation-free Gram Panchayat. Every household here has a twine pit toilet. In addition, Gram Panchayat has constructed community toilets near Ferighat and market areas for the convenience of people. The Panchayat administration is determined to make Ghoramara Island free from single-use plastic. Strict surveillance is being maintained at the Ferighat to ensure that people coming from outside do not enter the island with plastic carry bags. Instead of plastic carry bags, biodegradable bags are being handed out to the arriving people. In addition, women from local self-help groups are making bags from old clothes which are being used instead of plastic carry bags. To prevent mosquito-borne diseases, the Panchayat administration has ensured to spray regularly insecticides in various places. In addition, sewers are also cleaned on regular basis. Local youth volunteers regularly clean the river banks under the surveillance of the Panchayat members and officials. Local women participate in clean-up drives to clean their hamlets on regular basis.
আমাদের গ্রামকে আমরা নিজেরাই পরিষ্কার রাখি।
Due to global warming, the areas along the banks of the Muriganga River in Ghoramara are being slowly submerged every day. To prevent this land erosion, local residents have planted mangrove and chhau saplings along the banks of the Muriganga. Members of the local women self-help group regularly take care of the saplings. Ghoramara Panchayat administration has decided to develop zero carbon footprint area by establishing renewable energy sources like solar power plant, wind turbines. Solar street lights and solar high masts are also set up to enlighten all the roads of the island. In addition, every household has their own solar home lighting setup. Though this effort of Ghoramara is too little to the perspective of global pollution, but we all believe that every drop of water makes a mighty ocean.
আমার পাড়া আমার বাড়ি,
আমার ঘোড়ামারা
নির্মল ঘোড়ামারা।